Hey guys, good to see you this morning. Welcome to West Shore Construction. Come on, let's go see where the magic happens.
My name is Scott. I'm with West Shore Construction. We're here today to talk about something that's very near and dear to my heart, and I'm sure it's on everybody's mind as we enter into this hurricane season, and that is how can we best protect our home and property from the damaging effects of major storms. Today we're going to talk about quite a few different products that we offer here at West Shore. We are a state certified building contractor who has been in business for 36 years. We like to pride ourselves on doing high quality work with high quality products. In doing product specifications, we've taken a look at many different things to see what's going to be the best fit, the best price point, and the overall best user experience that we can possibly have. This morning I'd like to start off with talking to you about a product that is called a motorized hurricane screen. We use multiple different vendors, so we have different types of hurricane screens for different projects specific. This one that is featured here today is called an Atlas Armor Screen. Now these are traditionally looking like a motorized roll-down shutter. However, instead of having that metal screen across it, this is an actual hurricane fabric. This is a product that you can use as a daily use for sunscreen, for hurricane screen. It blocks rain, it will block no-see-ums. It can be raised or lowered with the touch of a button, and it's very, very quiet. You can see that this is a product that allows you to block out these major storms. So this product is made out of a combination of polyester and what most people would refer to as Kevlar or aramid. Those strands are interwoven left and right with the polyester going top to bottom, which allows it to have a little bit of flexibility while allowing it to have major structural integrity. You can use it on a daily basis, and if you notice that one of the differences in this product is the gusset plates where it's been sewn together in the corners, those allow it to have an incredible amount of strength. It also has an adjustable bar across the bottom. These brushes allow it to set flat because we all know that most lanais are not built straight. They have some pitch to them. This product is also available in multiple colors. It comes in bronze, white, ivory, or beige. And the fabric can come in multiple colors. We have black, black and tan, or white and tan. So it can match the house. It's a good looking product that will give you significant protection from hurricane, storm, weather, bugs, and sun. It is also used quite a bit in large openings such as lanais or open garages. Now the second thing I want to talk about is our most popular product, which is hurricane fabric. This particular product is made of ballistic rated nylon. It is made by a company called Hurricane Fabric in South Florida for these conditions and these climates. This material is made out of ballistic rated nylon, which is important because that is the same material that was originally designed to be flak jacket material for fighter pilots. You'll notice that it has a clip system that is screwed together two-piece, which is much, much stronger than what the competitors have, which is a hurricane fabric with a grommet in it. Now these grommets, if anybody's used a tarp or a tent, can understand how these can actually weaken the panel by 40% by poking a hole in it, and they can tear out. We also don't use the polypropylene material because this polypropylene is only got a burst strength of 700 pounds per square inch, where this material, the ballistic nylon, is 1,200 pounds per square inch. That might sound like a little bit of a technical issue, but the fact of the matter is this is almost twice as strong as any other hurricane fabric that's out there. This product is Miami-Dade rated, Florida Building Code rated, Texas insurance approved, and as well as the Sydney, Australia test, which are the toughest for cyclones anywhere in the world. Now you can take this material and put a pressure washer right up against it, 2,000 psi, right against the screen. You'll have no water coming through the inside. Conversely, it doesn't allow any water or wind to come through it. So this product is 100% wind and water abatement system. It is A-rated for insurance purposes and will qualify you for a discount on your homeowner's insurance policy. Some of the other important features for this is that it is translucent. You get quite a bit of sunlight through it. While you can't see through it, you certainly won't feel like you're in a cave if your power should go out for several days, which is something that happens quite a bit during hurricanes. This product is also numbered. Each panel comes numbered with a panel number and a job number with a corresponding site map that we provide with you so that you can tell what panel goes where on the house, along with this information that would be an orientation mark so you know which way it goes. We kind of really try and make it very simple. We will also provide a wind mitigation survey, which many of you have heard. I speak about it and Dawn speaks about it. When we do this installation on somebody's home or business, we provide the wind mitigation survey through Dawn and Brian. That will allow a customer to turn that into their homeowner's insurance so that they can get a discount on their insurance policy. So the next thing on our list would be a typical Bahama style shutter. These are shutters that are designed to meet the needs of tropical environments. They have been used for over 100 years in the southern climates for multiple purposes. One, they are a beautiful and decorative shutter, but these will also block out radiant sunlight. You can keep your windows open when it's raining outside. And this is what we traditionally used for air conditioning before we had air conditioning. These shutters are made out of powder coated aluminum. They are hurricane rated to 150 miles an hour. And these are something that can be closed from either inside or from the outside. So on a second floor application where there might not be a way for somebody to get up to the windows to protect them, they can simply open the windows, close them from the inside, and throw the slide locks. Now these shutters, the difference between these and anybody else's shutters that we have in the marketplace today is the construction methodology. We actually take all of these corners and you'll see that they're smooth. There's no seams. They're not screwed together. The reason that that's relevant is because whenever you have dissimilar metals that hold them together, steel screws with aluminum frames, that causes corrosion in this environment. So it also makes it a much stronger unit when it's welded together, and then we do a clear coat, top coat on top of the powder coat, and a primer, epoxy resin primer first, which allows it to sustain its color in this environment without fading. Now the simple way that you close these is you push a button on either side, it shuts, and you throw the slide locks in place. Now that's it. That's all you have to do in order to shut things down and prepare yourself for a storm. Benefit of having these type of shutters is that they don't just look like impact shutters. You know, people are never going to drive by your house and say, wow, look at those hurricane shutters. They're actually going to drive by and say, man, those are great looking shutters. We take a lot of pride in these. These are solid resin core filled blades that will deflect any impact up to a bowling ball. The other thing that I'd like to mention to you about is many people have arched windows and they're looking for a solution on these arches. We actually have one of the only manufacturers that has the technology and the skill to create these beautiful arch shutters. Those can be used in all different types of applications. We can make custom sizes, custom shapes, and none of these are out-of-the-box sizes. These are all built directly for your home specifically. And lastly, with the changes that are coming from COVID-19 with hurricane preparedness in the state of Florida, no longer are people going to have access to the typical sheltering spots that they would have normally had. Due to social distancing, each and every one of these shelters is going to be limited in the amount of people that they can take. And quite honestly, the last thing I think anybody wants to do is be forced to evacuate into a shelter with 1,000 other people. That may be something a little bit dangerous with this virus out here. So what we're trying to do is to have an impact on being able to help people shelter in place, stay safe in their home, not lose life, limb, or property, and be able to save some money on their insurance premiums as things go forward. Again, Scott with West Shore Construction, thanks for listening. I hope you all have a great day. Stay safe.